Girls, good morning. All right. So, congratulations. You have made it to the final section in IXL. So, we are now starting DD1 today. Now, DD1 is a section that is all about probability. Yesterday, you did some probability with Khan Academy. Now, you also have a video from Schmoop, one of my favorite websites, that also explains probability. Watch that too. It incorporates the Joker and the Batman, and it's pretty cool. All right. So, probability is pretty simple. What they want you to do is basically you're making a fraction, okay? And then you're turning that fraction into, sometimes you turn it into decimals. In this case, we're just going to keep it as a fraction. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my fraction, and it says a spinner has 8 equal sections, of which 4 are yellow. If you spin the spinner once, what is the probability that it will land on a yellow section? Write your answer as a fraction or whole number. So they want to know the probability of yellow. So first thing you want to do is you want to find out what the whole spinner is. The whole spinner has 8 equal sections, so that goes on top. Now, 4 of them are yellow, so the 4 would go on top. So now, that's going to be your answer, 4/8. Now, sometimes they may tell you to simplify, okay? But in this case, you don't have to simplify, okay? Because 4/8 could have simplified to 1/2. I'm sure if you put it in a simplified version, they probably would still take it. Okay, so now, my next one, it says the Organic Cafe has 9 pastries for sale, including 3 croissants. Now, what is the probability that a randomly selected pastry will be a croissant? Write your answer as a fraction or whole number. So again, you're going to put the total number of what they have. So they have 9 total pastries. That goes on the bottom. 3 would go on top. So there you go. So your probability would be 3 out of 9 for choosing a croissant. Okay, now I'm going to jump a level. We're going to see how this gets a little harder here. All right, so now they give you a chart. All right, in the chart it says the table shows how many of each type of attraction can be found at a certain amusement park. So there's 8 games, 9 gift shops, 4 food stands, 1 arcade, and 2 water slides. What is the probability that a randomly selected attraction at the amusement park will be a water slide? All right, so this is one of those ones where you have to find out the whole number that goes on the bottom, like out of everything. So you have to add up all of these. So that would be 17, that would be 21, that would be 22, 23, 24. So that would be out of 24. Then they want to know, what is the probability that a randomly selected attraction at this amusement park will be a water slide? Well, there's only 2 water slides. So if you randomly spun around and said, I'm going to go in this direction, you have a 2 out of a 24 chance of pointing to a water slide. It's basically what that means. So there you go. And again, this one's not requiring you to simplify, so you can just put it in. Awesome. I'm going to jump another level for you. All right, so then this just takes you right up to the challenge zone. So I'll just do one question from the challenge zone. All right. So it says, Fred made cookies for a bake sale in several different shapes. These are the shapes: a star, a person, a diamond, a tree, a cat. What is the probability that a randomly chosen cookie will be in the shape of a star? So again, all they're doing is it's the same type of question, but the numbers get bigger. That's all. So I mean, you can use a calculator. I'm just going to use one for speed and accuracy here. Type in the right numbers though. All right, let's clear that up. 66 plus 94 plus 17 plus 13 plus 8. And again, I'm going to look at the history of my calculator. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the numbers match up. So it's definitely 198, and the star is 66. So it's going to be 66 out of 198. So I'm going to put that on here. There you go. All right, boys and girls, good luck with this. Probability is a fun thing. It's not too hard. We're going to get into a little deeper in the next couple days, okay? All right, best of luck to you.